Aw. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Honey, gently set them in the pile. Cute. Oh, that's a cute one, huh? Aw. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Let's see. The gray sweatshirt is for Cole, and the pink shirt for Claire. The black sweatshirt and 2 shirts for Cole are from Penny's. Let's see. Oh, that's for me. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is for me. Oh, yay! And Cole assumes his position with the cars.
Open! Open!
What do you say?
Please.
Okay. This is Claire's. This one's Claire's. Claire's. Can you give it to Claire? Sure, give it to Claire. Well, that's good that you have that one then, huh?
Oh, my other one.
Cole, can you count? Say 1. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, go. Go.
Can you show Grandma how you count? Let's see, what's this one? Cole's? Yeah. Yay.
Look at that one, Dad.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen my other card of them?
No.
This is what it looks like.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Pink and purple.
That's so nice of Grandma to send you guys gifts.
It only has 3 colors on it.
Yeah. So nice of her. Cole, you like your cars?